From the country that gave us the genius of the key car comes a space miracle on wheels. This is the Osteria. It's the RV equivalent of a Swiss Army knife, smaller than most SUVs, yet it somehow hides a full 6-berth home inside. Recently debuted by Direct Cars at the 2025 Camping Car Show, the Osteria is built on the legendary Toyota Camroad chassis. It's compact, it's remarkably functional, and it's designed to go exactly where those bulky 7-meter motorhomes simply can't. The exterior. Let's talk dimensions. At just 4.85 meters long, this rig is actually shorter than a Toyota Land Cruiser. That means you can pilot this through narrow coastal tracks or tight urban streets on a standard license without breaking a sweat. It's the ultimate philosophy of travel. The vehicle adapts to your route, not the other way around. The first thing you notice is the signature half-body two-tone paint. It gives it that aesthetic, cute look Japan is famous for. But don't let the styling fool you. Underneath that light gray-blue finish is a serious bit of kit. You can option this as a 2-wheel drive gas model, or for the more adventurous, a 4-wheel drive diesel powerhouse. Move to the rear and you'll find a massive hatch leading to the garage. This space handles your bulky gear, folding chairs, surfboards, or recovery tracks, keeping the mess out of your living area. You'll also notice the external vents for the household-style air conditioner. That's right, this tiny footprint carries a full AC system to keep you frosty even in the middle of a humid summer. Direct Cars did something rare here. They've included dual external power outlets, one for the house and a dedicated supply just for the climate control. On the passenger side, the entry is just as clever. You get a tucked-away electric step for easy access and a full integrated screen door system. It's a game-changer for keeping the insects out while maintaining maximum airflow. Every window is double-paned acrylic with built-in blackout shades, and up on the roof, you've got 355 watts of solar feeding a heavy-duty battery bank. It's factory-finished, professionally insulated, and ready for all 4 seasons. The exterior is a masterclass in efficiency, but the real magic trick happens when you step through the door. Step inside, and you're immediately hit by a space miracle. The interior trades a typical rugged utility look for a soft, minimalist Japanese aesthetic. Think light pastels, shades of green, and pale yellow. It feels less like a truck cabin and more like a high-end studio apartment. But look closer and you'll see the strategy. Because the floor plan is so compact, every centimeter is assigned a job. You've got a convertible dinette in the center, a galley kitchen across from it, and bunk beds tucked into the rear. It's tight, yes. You'll likely be sitting on the dinette bench to reach the lower kitchen cabinets, but it is incredibly functional. Now, the real magic trick here is the sleeping capacity. This tiny footprint somehow offers 6 berths. You have a massive fold-out double bed over the cabin, which also serves as the mount for a 32-inch TV. In the rear, you'll find fixed bunk beds, each equipped with its own opening window, reading light, and power outlets. The lower bunk is where the modular design really shines. If you aren't traveling with a full crew, you can fold this bed up to expand your internal garage for bikes or bulky gear. Then, by simply dropping the central dinette table, you create the final sleeping area. It's a layout designed for a family, provided everyone is happy to stay cozy. Turning around to the galley, you'll find a deep stainless steel sink fed by twin 20-liter canisters for fresh and wastewater, and an 80-liter fridge, which is massive for a vehicle this size. Cooking is handled by a portable gas cartridge stove that stows neatly under the counter. But here's the game changer, the electrical system. The Osteria comes standard with a 2,000-watt inverter and a 200 Ah deep cycle battery. That's enough juice to run the household-style AC unit without being plugged in. If you want to go full pro, you can option in a microwave and 355 watts of roof-mounted solar to make this a truly self-sufficient base camp. Beyond the appliances, storage is integrated into every available pocket and cubby. There's a dedicated cabinet for shoes, overhead shelving for clothes, and locking latches to keep everything quiet on the road. Now, you'll notice there is no dedicated bathroom, but the designers included a large, ventilated wardrobe with hanging rods. In the camper world, we call this a flex space. It's the perfect spot to tuck away a porta potty, giving you the one thing this tiny home was missing without sacrificing the open plan feel. From the bug screens on the skylights to the USB ports hidden in the corners, the Osteria proves that you don't need a massive bus to have a massive adventure. So what's the cost of owning this Japanese space miracle? In Japan, the Osteria starts at roughly 7.9 million yen for the two-wheel drive gas version, climbing to nearly 9 million yen for the diesel 4WD. In US dollars, that's a range of about $56,000 to $63,000. While it might currently feel like it's made of unobtainium for those of us outside Japan, the Osteria represents a massive shift in how we think about travel. It proves that you don't need a massive, fuel-guzzling bus to have a genuine family adventure. It's factory-finished, professionally insulated, and built with a level of intentional design that makes every millimeter count. Whether you see it as eye candy or serious inspiration for your next DIY build, it's clear that the future of van life might just be smaller than we thought. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of ultra-compact motorhomes, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments. Could you and your family survive a week in a rig this size? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.